What's it like working with family? It's definitely always interesting.
The lovely thing is you know that you've all got each other's backs. There's a kind of level of passion for what we do and knowing that we're all driving in the same direction.
I mean, Andrew and Julie obviously founded the business in 2009. Just being around them and learning from them has been fantastic.
I think for all of us, what we really care about is a unity of purpose and what we're trying to achieve. And I think that's really special and something that we all care deeply about.
A sofa is something that is a very important purchase. You want it to last a really long time. We're very passionate about making things that last. So really that's why we set up Sofas and Stuff, and that's our core belief.